Children, now it's our exercise time. So we do the exercise in the workbook of lesson 24. Animals are useful. So hope you all read the lessons well. Okay. After reading the lesson, you should go to the exercise part. Yes. Now the first exercise in the workbook is tick the correct answer. Yes. Tick the correct answer. So here there are 3 questions. Question number 1, 2, 3. Okay. Each question has 2 options. Option A, option B. Read the question. Check the options. Which is the correct option. You have to see and you have to tick mark in the square box. Okay. Yes. Let's see the first question. What is the first question here? We get silk from. Where do we get silk? We get silk from, yes, we get silk from silkworm, isn't it? And we make silk clothes out of that. Option A, silkworm. Option B, honeybee. Yes, so the correct option or the correct answer is option A, silkworm. silkworm, silkworm. So here you can give a tick mark. Now coming to the second question, it gives us milk. Option A, ox. Option B, cow. Which animal gives us milk, children? Yes, cow gives us milk. Option B is the correct answer. So you can give a tick mark here. Coming to the third question, we get wool from. From where do we get wool? We get wool from option A, sheep. Option B, hen. We get wool from which animal among this? Yes, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Option A is the correct one. So here you can give a tick. So we get silk from silkworm. Option A is the correct answer. Second, it gives us milk. Option B, cow gives us milk. It is the correct answer. So give the tick mark here. Third, we get wool from. Option A is the correct answer, sheep. So you can give a tick mark here. Okay. Children, so our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 2, fill in the blanks. Yes, here there are 4 questions given. Question 1, 2, 3, 4. So read the questions well and write the correct answer. Okay. So the first question, we can make dash and dash from milk. What all things we can make from milk? We can make cheese, we can make butter, curd, then ghee. Yes, lot of products we can make from milk, isn't it? Yes, you can write your favorite thing, no problem. Anything you can write. You can write ghee, G-H-E. We can make ghee. Then we can make cheese, C-H-E-E-S-C, cheese. So we can make ghee and cheese from milk. You can write cheese and butter. You can write ghee and curd. Anything you can write. Okay. Yes. So we can make ghee and cheese from milk. There are 4 products given in your course book. Ghee, cheese, butter, curd. So among this, anything you can write. Second, dash is used to make silk sarees and other silk clothes. Yes, we make silk clothes from, yes, silk. Silk is used, S-I-L-K. Silk is used to make silk sarees and other silk clothes. Now, third, we use dash for making shoes, belts and purses. For making shoes, bags, belt, purses, jackets, we use what? Skin of dead animals gives us leather. So that leather we use to make shoes, belts and jackets and all. So we use leather, L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather. Now the last one, we get dash and dash from bees. Honey bee. Honey bee gives us honey, the sweet honey, and wax. Wax we use to make candles. So we get honey, C-H-O-N-E-Y, honey, and we get wax, W-A-X, wax from bees. Yes, so first question, we can make ghee and cheese from milk. Cheese, ghee and cheese from milk. Silk, silk, silk is used to make silk sarees and other silk clothes. Silk is used to make silk sarees and other silk clothes. We use leather, L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather for making shoes, belts and purses. The last fill in the blanks, we get honey, H-O-N-E-Y, honey and wax, W-A-X, wax. So we get honey and wax from bees. Children, so our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 3. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. You have to write T for true and F for false. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 statements are given. Read the statements. Check whether they are true or false. If the statement is true, if the statement is correct, then you have to write T in the square box. If the statement is wrong or if it is false, write F in the square box. Okay, now we will read the statements. Statement number 1. We get wool from goat. Is it true or false? Is it correct or wrong? Do we get wool from goat? We get wool from sheep. We get wool from rabbit and yak also, but not from goat. So the given statement is wrong. It is false. So you can write F. Yes. Second, fish and crabs are seafood. Fish and crab, they are seafood. The statement is correct. It is true. So you can write T in the square box. Yes, T. Now, third statement, we get leather from skin of dead animals. Is it true? Yes, we get leather from the skin of dead animals. And we use this for making belt, shoes, purses, jackets and all. So the statement is true. So you can write T here. The last one, the cow carries our Lord. Is it true? Who carries our Lord? Donkeys carries Lord, isn't it? Yes. The animals that helps in transportation like camel, horse, elephant. But donkeys carries Lord, not cow. So the given statement is wrong. It is false. So you can write F in the square box. F. Yes. So the first statement is we get wool from goat. The statement is false. So you can write F here. Fish and crabs are seafood. Yes, it is a true statement. So write T in the square box. We get leather from skin of dead animals. The statement is true, so you can write T here in the square box. The last one, the cow carries our Lord. This is a wrong statement. It is false, so write F in the square box. Yes, children, so our next exercise is exercise 4. Match the following. So here you can see images on either side. And middle some words are given. These words are silkworm, S-I-L-K-W-O-R-M, silkworm, cow, C-O-W, cow, H-E-N, hen, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, honeybee, H-O-N-E-Y-B-E-E, honeybee, leather, L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, there are some images, some pictures given. You have to match these words with those pictures. Okay, so picture here A, it is wool. Second picture B, it is honey. Then third picture C, it is a jacket. Here D, they have given X, E, silk cloth, and F, milk. These are the pictures given. You can see the pictures here, isn't it? Yes. Now you have to match silkworm. Where you will match silkworm? Yes, we get silk from silkworm and we make silk clothes out of that. So silkworm you can match to silk cloth. Silk cloth is of the image here, E. Yes, so silkworm to silk clothes. So here you can match with E. Okay? Yes. Now cow. Cow gives us milk. What is milk here? In which number you can see milk image? Yes. Which alphabet? F. F is the image of milk. So you can match cow to F. Means milk. Now hen. Hen gives us eggs, isn't it? Yes. Well, you can see eggs in here. In which alphabet that image egg is there? Yes. D. D images of eggs. So hen you can match to D. Eggs. Then sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Wool where you can see here. Yes, A image is wool. So you can match sheep to wool. A. Then honeybee. Honeybee gives us honey and wax. So here honey image is there where B. B is honey image. So honeybee you can match to B. Now leather. Using leather we make belt, shoes, purses, bags, jackets. So you can see jacket here where C image is of jacket. Yes, so leather you can match to jacket. Okay? Yes, so silkworm to silk clothes. F image you can see F alphabet image is silk cloth. So you can match silkworm to E. Yes, image, the silk cloth image is in E alphabet. So you can match silkworm to E. Next cow. Cow gives us milk. Milk image you can see here in F. So you can match cow to F, to milk. Hen. Hen gives us eggs. Egg image is in D. So you can match hen to eggs. D. Sheep gives us wool. Wool image you can see in A. So you can match sheep to A. Wool. Honey bee gives us honey. You can see honey image in B. You can match honey bee to B. Honey. The last one leather. Leather you can match to jackets. It is jacket image in C. So leather to C. Jacket image. Okay children? Children, so our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 5. Let's answer. A few questions are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4 questions are there. You have to answer these questions. So let us read the first question. Okay? Children, read the first question. First question is, how do animals help us in growing crops in the field? How do animals help us in growing crops in the field? Yes, in the field, animals help farmers to plough the field. Yes, so animals help to plough, P-L-O-U-G-H, plough the fields to grow crops. Animals help to plough the fields to grow crops. Second, write 2 things made of leather, which are any new 2 things you can write. Belts, bag, purses, jackets, isn't it? Answer, purses, P-U-R-S-E-S, and jackets, J-A-C-K-E-T-S. Jackets are made of leather. Next, write 3 things which we can make from milk. Any 3 products which we can make from milk. Cheese, butter, curd, ghee, isn't it? Yes. Cheese, C-H-E-E-S-C, butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, curd, C-U-R-D. Cheese, butter and curd are made from milk. Now fourth one, name 3 animals used for transportation. You have to write the name of any 3 animals that used for transportation. Camels, horses, elephants, mules, donkeys. We use these animals for transportation as means of transport, to carry goods and people from one place to another. Yes, so horses, 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 camels, CAMELS, and elephants, ELEPHANTS. So horses, camels and elephants are used for transportation. So first question, how do animals help us in growing crops in the field? Animals help to plough the fields to grow crops. Animals help farmers to plough the field. Farmers grow crops in the field. Before that, farmers have to plough the field. So animals help in doing that. Second, write 2 things made of leather. Purses and jackets are made of leather. Write 3 things which we can make from milk. Cheese, butter and curd are made from milk. Fourth question, the last question, name 3 animals used for transportation. Answer, horses, camels and elephants are used for transportation. Okay children? Yes children, so next exercise in the workbook is let's do it. You have to do something here. A, tick the animal which will help these children and to write the number. So in B section you can see the animals, some images of animals are given with numbers. So by seeing that number you have to tick here, you have to tick in that number where the animal pictures are there. That helps these children. Yes, so first Neha wants to drink milk. So which animal gives us milk? Yes, cow gives us milk. Can you see the image of cow in that image? Question in B section, can you see the image of a cow? In which number it is? Yes, see number 4. Yes, it is an image of a cow. Yes, so Neha wants to drink milk. So which animal gives us milk? Cow gives us milk. Cow is in number 4. So you have to write the number here. Number 4. Number 4 is cow. Okay. So there you have to give a tick. Tick the animal which help these children and write the number. Number is 4. And animal you have to tick the cow. Number 4 you can give a tick. Yes. Amit likes to have eggs. He needs eggs. He likes eggs very much. So who gives us egg? Which animal? Yes, hen and duck. Can you see hen image there? Find out. Yes, which number it is? Yes, it is in 8th number. 8th number images of a hen. So you can write the number here, 8. That animal helps to give eggs to Amit, isn't it? Yes. Then next is Rekha needs wool to knit a sweater. She needs to knit a sweater, make a sweater. She needs wool. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep, yak, rabbit. Yes. Which animal you can see? The sheep you can see. Which number you can see? Find out. Yes, number 5 is image of a sheep. Yes, so you can write number 5 here. Yes, so number 5 animal which is that wool. Wool helps, sheep. That animal gives us wool, so this helps Nega to knit a sweater. Last one, Ram needs help to plough the field. Ram is a farmer, he needs to plough the field. So which animal helps in ploughing the field? Yes, see the, can you see the animal that plough the field for farmer? Yes, ox is the animal. So which number you can see the image of ox? Yes, 11th number. 11th number is the image of a ox. So 11, you can write 11 here. So that 11th number image. Ox help Ram to plough the field. Yes, so first one, Neha wants to drink milk. Yes, so cow gives us milk. So which animal, number 4 is the animal cow. So you can write number 4 here. Amit likes to have eggs. Hen gives us eggs. Hen and duck gives us egg, but here we can see the image of hen. In which number? 8th number. So you can write 8 here. So here Rekha needs to wool to knit a sweater. So sheep gives us wool. So sheep, rabbit, yak gives us wool. So here we can see the image of sheep. Sheep in which number? 5th number. So you can write 5 here. Then Ram needs help to plough the field. So he needs an ox to plough the field. You can see the image of ox in 11th number. So 11 number you can write here in the square box. Yes. These are the animals that help these children. Now write the names of the following animals. So see the image. Children, one by one, numbers I have given. You have to write the names. So tell me the names. You tell me the names and afterwards you can write. First image is of a, yes, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Learn the spelling, then write. Second, yes, it is a donkey. Yes, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. You can write there. Then third image is of a tiger. Yes, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Fourth image is of a cow. C-O-W, cow. Yes, you can write cow there. Fifth image. Coming to the fifth image. Which image you can see here? Image of a sheep. Spelling of sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Coming to the next image, sixth image. Which image is here? Yes, it is of a goat. Spelling of goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Next image, seventh image is of a camel. Yes, camel. Spelling C-A-M-E-L, camel. Eighth image. Can you see eighth image? Yes, name that image. The picture, the name of the animal is hen. So H-E-N, hen. The ninth image, the king of the jungle. Yes, name that animal. Yes, it is a lion. Yes, L-I-O-N, lion. Then 10th image, the big animal, the biggest animal. Yes, name that animal. Yes, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. The 11th image, see the 11th image? Yes, this animal helps farmer to plough the field. Yes, ox. O-X, ox. 12th image, the last image. Yes, donkey or mule we can say. Both of them looks same. Okay, M-U-L-E, mule. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Okay, yes, so you have to see the image, then identify the animal, then you have to write the names of the animals. Learn the spelling and write the names of the animal. Okay children, so we completed the workbook of lesson 24, animals are useful. Workbook exercises we completed. So go through the exercise well after reading the lesson. And you have to prepare well for your exams. Okay.